Hey guys. Well, this is another unboxing video. I've only done one other one. Is when I bought the camera you're watching this on right now. I got a refurbished GoPro from GoPro. They came with the same warranty, the same package, same accessories, but I just saved a lot of money because it was refurbished. And I decided to up my game a little bit here, and I bought a camera. I went ahead and did the same thing because I have so much luck with the GoPro that I bought. It's a GoPro Hero 4 Silver, by the way. I like that one because it has a touchscreen in the back. My eyes ain't as good as they used to be, so when I'm trying to read that little display, LCD display on the front of the GoPro, it can be problematic. So, I'm going to be hitting the road hopefully this summer, doing some traveling, making some videos, and I wanted to up my game. I wanted to have a little better equipment. So I got a refurbished camera from Canon. So with no further ado, let's unbox this bad boy. I got the Canon T7i, and I got the I think it's 18-135 lens, and I also bought later in the same day a 50mm lens because they're good for portrait. I don't know if I got that in the same box though. We shall see. So here it is in the original box that a new one comes in. I actually saved between the camera and the 50mm lens, I saved $275 off what I would have paid at Best Buy or Amazon. And that's good as far as I'm concerned. And hope they sent the right one, because this says an EOS PowerShot Vixia, and that's not what I ordered. But they might have just used the box. Yeah, the invoice says it's a T7i. Okay. And I got the same warranty with this as I did if I bought a new one. And like I said, I had really good luck with the GoPro I bought. I've had it since last summer. No issues with it at all. That was a recommendation from another YouTuber. Actually, it was Key West Kayak Fishing. He's the one that recommended doing that, so that's what I did, and I'm very happy so far. So we get all the paperwork that you would normally get, you know, with something new camera. You know, it's just like getting a new camera, except it ain't. Look at the size of this. That's the Rebel T7i EOS camera. I guess in Europe they call it the 800D. So, this would be the battery charger. Man, they put these things together good, don't they? The battery charger. Just stick it into the wall, an outlet, and charge your battery. I got a carrying strap, which will, I'm sure, come in handy. There you go. The EOS camera strap. And the battery. These batteries are pretty expensive. I've seen aftermarket ones that I bought for my GoPro, and the GoPro, they work fine, but I understand But the aftermarket ones, they will work in the Canon camera. But the camera, it won't tell you how much juice you got left. You know, so you got to just kind of wing it. I guess, you know, you can probably wing it pretty well. But if you're going to use it all day, you could run out of juice, and that would be that, you know. All right, here's the lens. Check this bad boy out. Whoa. That nice or what? There we go. Sweet. Oops, excuse me. Yeah, it's an 1,835 millimeter. The stock ones that come is an 18-55, and I just thought that would be a little too restrictive, because I like to do videos like a Bike Week, Biketoberfest, and I like to zoom in so I don't get in right up in somebody's face. And also what I like about this camera, I mean, there's a lot of cameras. The reason I got this was it was kind of like the best of the rest of Canon's lineup for a starter camera. It actually has like the same sensors that the 80D, which is actually a professional camera. There was just some basic cosmetic difference that this is really a good camera. And actually the processor in this is better than the one that was in the 80D. I don't remember all the numbers and details, but there she be. There she is, man. Nice camera. And especially one of the things I like this is it has a fully articulating touchscreen. And so, like if I want to take pictures, I can do this like the old cameras that used to look down on the top. So it's not so intrusive when you're like interviewing a person or just taking pictures. People don't feel so intimidated than if you're standing there like this, with a camera in their face. It's one of the things I liked about it. And it's fully articulated, goes all the way around. So I can do selfies. So I guess the only thing left to do is charge the battery and put it in and see how this baby works. So thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.